Hi teacher, hi everyone. I will talk about our future jobs. I choose this topic because I realized that are some human skills that are very important and they make the difference between robots and technology too. So I will talk about for human skills. The first, resolution of complex problem. In that case, people can realize what kind of problems robots can resolve. So people work in this way. Second, critical thinking. Critical thinking and open mind will be very looking skills. Third, creativity. Also, we talk about curiosity. Both of them are the best important tools that humanity used to resolve his problem through the time. Four, handling of people. Handling of people can use some characteristics like sense of humor, empathy, and working. All of them are the best to get goal. Work with other people. For CEO or managers are very important to create a good work environment. So work with other people can realize this goal. 6. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, we can talk about empathy and comprehension. So both of them make the place work a more harmonious place. 7. Judgment and decision making. Both of them are the principal tools that humanity use, and these ones are the difference with robots. 8. Customer service. Also, we can talk about servant leadership. Both of them are very important to give excellent service to customers. 9. Negotiation. Negotiation is a skill that humankind use through the time. And the last one is cognitive flexibility. Through the time, humanity has different problems, and the capacity of humanity to resolve them has permitted to them to get good goals through the time. The bibliographic reference that I use were Economic Forum and LinkedIn. So teacher, that everything. I think that these 10 human skills are very important and are the best way to difference between humanity and robots. So thank you, that's all.